We want to say that the events that have happened at KICC here in the Senate PG of Jubilee are regrettable. The party leader promised to attend the meeting, and actually the security and everybody was here waiting for him. I think they never expected that a certain faction of the Jubilee will be attending, and because we came on time by 10 a.m., they advised the president not to come. And so the president was unable to come because we came in good numbers. As you can see, we are standing here in solidarity with our brother, Senator Kang'ata. Number two, we were only 24 in the room. And out of the 24, you can see how many of us are here? We are 9, I suspect, yeah. Because I had counted also when we're...
Two who have stepped up.
Yeah, and Senator Ali of Wajir spoke in the meeting and said if Kang'ata is going to be removed because of his comments on BBI, he will not sign for his removal. So we are sure that Senator Ali of Wajir walked out in protest and said he's not going to sign the list. So about 10 of us, let me start with that. I will tell you that the Jubilee coalition in the Senate has 38 members. 3 are illegally there because KANU are not supposed to be part of the coalition. The coalition agreement was not sanctioned well. But be it as it may, we have 38 members, including those of KANU who have been accommodated illegally. Of the 38, you need 20 senators to sign the removal of any leader from office. Of the 20 senators, I can tell you without any fear of contradiction that they only have about 15. They cannot fill 20 senators. So what is going to happen this afternoon, most likely, as they have done before, is that Speaker Lusaka is going to do his normal fraud to announce figures that do not exist. And I am sure he will not even make a ruling. He will do exactly what he did to us. He will just say, I have received a letter from Jubilee. I am satisfied that the standing orders have been complied with, and therefore Senator Kang'ata has been removed. This is the new normal in this country. It is a paradox, and I want to tell the public for them to appreciate. The meeting was opened. I was given a chance to speak. Senator Langat, Senator Lelegwe, Senator Cherargei, Senator Cheruiyot, Senator Ali, Senator Linturi. None of the people who spoke supported the removal of Kang'ata. All the others just kept quiet. And as I told you, there were few. And the charges, we asked that Senator Kang'ata be told what are his charges. First of all, they asked Kang'ata to resign. Kang'ata said he's not going to resign. We asked that they give us the charges against Kang'ata. They said that he wrote a letter against the BBI in Mount Kenya region. And we asked them whether they sent a letter of show cause to Senator Kang'ata. They did not.